low effort video डाल दो at 12 o'clock in the night. I was like, let's just try it. Like it almost took me 2-3 years.
Oh shit, I have to do it. And then you realize I can actually do it.
Personality is that something that actually shines more than your face. Like it has always been the thing for me. Friends gifted that page to me.
See, that's the cutest thing I've ever heard.
Like I will be like, क्या ही हो जाएगा?
Just listen to Anuj Jain all the time or Imran Hashmi songs.
People will stop no matter what.
But it's not even good.
You're always hungry on your podcast. I saw your videos and you're like, bro.
I am like I like to
bird.
wake up at 6 a.m.
Once you stop, you become irrelevant in no time, especially in this field.
Hi guys, I'm Ishita
And I'm Kanishka.
and welcome to
Drop the filter. Today with us we have Labdi, who is a music and lifestyle creator. Hi Labdi.
Hello.
How
are you feeling?
Jinx.
Jinx.
I'm nervous, but also very excited because it's my first podcast and we just hit 150K.
Congratulations. I think that's a very, very big milestone.
Yeah, I think 150K and that too you did it very fast and like in
Yeah, the initial journey was extremely long. Like it
Yeah.
almost took me 2-3 years. But once it clicked, it did.
that one video.
Yeah.
I think that's always the case.
Yeah.
Not like most of the creators.
Yeah.
I think it just takes, and I think as sad as it is, it takes one video to go viral to give that extra push.
Yeah, but how was your that when your video went viral? What was your reaction? Like, did you imagine it would go
Yeah,
viral
like-
because you have been doing content creation for a really long time?
Honestly, that was my most low effort video that I've ever posted.
Always.
Always
those.
that.
But also, so the trial reel feature started, and I saw one reel where they said एक low effort video डाल दो at 12 o'clock in the night. I was like, let's just try it. And I was out for dinner and then I was just coming back home. I'm like, you know what? I have had this idea since a very long time. Let's just try it. The volume come karke. Car videos, a lot of people are posting, but this was something new. So I was like, let's just do it. And I did not even edit it because, okay, by the time I was home, it was around 11:45. So I didn't have the time to edit. I came home, changed, and then I'm like, okay, fine. If you look at my first video, there are only 3 copies that I've put, caught off guard, oh, end tak sun liya, all of that. And all had different fonts. Like,
Yeah.
editing that I've done. Like
I remember seeing it.
the size is this fat and the most random ass font that I could use because I had to post it at 12. I'm
Oh
like,
my god, I didn't think I noticed all that.
No, I think I'll tell you what, because I feel like people really appreciate good,
Editing?
good, what what they receive. You know, like maybe it could be visuals. In your case, it's the audio of it.
so visually it is bad. Like all my videos are low quality. I'm wearing ghar ka t-shirt.
I think the audio works for you. I think that's the
because
best
I
case.
think the USP for her is her voice.
Yeah, I think that's
Like,
the best.
as I just said, ooh, like whenever I listen to her, it is like a hummingbird type vibes. But how has your life been currently? You know, exclude the whole content creation. What have you been up to? How are you? Like, what's happening?
I'm working a full-time job.
Wow.
It's been 2 years, almost 2 years. And udhar bhi मैं content नहीं बनाती हूँ.
I think all three of us. Yeah.
So the only difference is I also script there. It's been almost 1 year since I've been doing that. I thought I can never script. Also, I'm not funny. And my office, you are meant to be funny because it's a meme marketing agency. But yeah, I found a space for myself there.
I think that's nice because like you find things that you always thought you wouldn't be able to.
Yeah.
And then something happens and you put in that situation, you're like, oh shit, I have to do it. And then you realize I can actually do it. I think that's a very great way of building confidence. So when did you always have the confidence to post online or?
Yeah, I've always loved to be in front of the camera for sure. Not like, oh, I'm the prettiest or I'm the most confident one. But I had a lot of acne before. I've had hormonal issues a lot. But a lot of people around me kept saying, oh my god, ek pimple aa gaya. They're like, oh shit, I can't post a video. But it never bothered me because I thought that personality is that something that actually shines more than your face. Like it has always been the thing for me. So camera has been, matlab, if I'm talking to you, I'll be more conscious. But if I'm in front of the camera, I'm
Oh my
like,
god, I'm such an I need to have classes with her because I get so conscious if I have that one pimple or if I gain weight, you will never see me in front of the camera.
weirdly, it's not something that, I trained myself to be that way. No. But at a very young age, I started getting a lot of acne, but it never bothered me. Because there's so much more to me than just that.
Yeah, I think I never thought of the second part where like more to me part, but I feel like for me, any reason to be in like I just never nothing like it's exactly like how you said, like even I've been like in front of camera since I think 2019, like musically era se randomly I used to post like kuch bhi, but it's not like something that I've really like. Earlier I used to say that it's something that I just do for fun, so I never really found a niche, I never really like did, but I just love putting myself out there, and I sometimes feel guilty if I don't put myself out there. I feel like, shit, what's going on?
Yeah,
But yeah, I get you. I think that's something that it's a very natural thing. You don't really have to train yourself to do it. Because I feel like when you train yourself, then anxiety creeps in and everything. What if this doesn't work and all of that.
I agree.
Have you received hate? Which I don't think you should, but
Yeah.
have you?
Not online, but offline, yes.
Oh my god.
It's weird.
Yeah.
So not
people you know?
directly, not people I know, not directly, but I've heard a lot of these comments where they're like, हाँ तो क्या ही है, कार में बैठ के गाना ही तो गा रही है.
आप गा
What's
के
the big
दिखा दो.
deal? All of that, which really like creeped me, and it is somebody who doesn't even know me personally. ठीक है? So imagine I know you personally, and you are someone I don't know, and you are going and telling her that हाँ ठीक है, like what's the big deal? I'm like, fair enough, but आप करके दिखाओ then. And it is coming from someone who doesn't even know how to sing. If it was someone
The guts.
who knew how to sing, I would still take it because I have always said it out loud that I'm not the bestest of singer. And there are so many people who are so much better than me. But one thing that is different is I am putting myself out there.
Yeah, nah, fair.
Agree.
And I feel like it's not, sorry, but I feel like there's like no need to compare also. Like
Exactly.
your singing will be yours, your videos yours.
And
like
that
if
person might have another talent, but I feel comparing and putting people down is just like a hobby nowadays that people have.
I hate
And
it.
like I swear to God, before coming, I was just practicing my singing skills. And both of us decided no. Like I'm already sick, and both of us were singing and coming, and at the end we were just looking at us and like, I don't think we should sing. Like there's a singer here, but talking about your singing career, did you always knew that you want you can sing?
I was almost, I think, 3 years old.
That's mad.
When I started singing, I used to love singing to the ads that used to come on TV. Like MTR ads and I used to be so weird. मतलब घर पे I would not have to raise my voice or anything. I would just enter the house singing. School से, college से आई हूँ. पता चल गया लोगों को कि आ गई. My neighbors knew that I was here because I
Oh
used to
my
always enter
God.
singing.
That's crazy. But are you seeing this as your like career? Like, do you want to write songs? Do you want to sing songs? Or
Yeah,
what's
because
the
you
vibe?
just mentioned that you can script write, so I'm just having a clue that you might write songs.
There's a difference between writing songs and scripts. I've tried. I've tried. I haven't given that crazy of effort to it yet, but I would love to. And I've experienced that a lot in these past 6 months. It has been extreme, highs and lows at the same time.
Bro, I have a feeling she can be the female Anuv Jain.
Oh, that was a compliment.
Yeah, because her voice is really soothing. Like,
Yeah,
I'm
that's
not
true.
joking. Because when I had obviously I knew, now I know that we know each other, but pehle I did not know. So when I saw your first reel that went viral, bro, I kept it's saved on my phone because I was going through your profile.
That's
and I'm
so
like, oh my god,
sweet.
that's saved.
Yeah.
So
I feel like, so are you like seeing to get into like the industry, or what's the goal with singing, or just
or maybe
or you want to be a full-time music creator?
Not really. I've been meaning to learn classical singing because that is important if you want to be in the industry. Like, अच्छी voice hona is not enough for, there. I've gotten a lot of these messages from Saregama and Indian Idol and all of that. The management team has reached out. But I'm not confident enough yet because I can entertain you, but on a
Professional.
professional level, I'm not quite sure.
national television. That's mad. But
Fair enough.
yeah, so
So if I learn classical singing, which a lot of people have told me, I can do wonders But yeah,
Is
Like,
it
you
in
never know, you might go like in a couple of years.
hopefully.
Yeah. I think that'd be really cool.
So, do you also have plans? Like, have you ever gotten a message to collaborate with someone or like
Like a singer situation.
singer situation?
Like a proper Bollywood singer.
Like someone who's
Anyone?
kind of like famous.
On the internet, like Instagram, yes, but not like playback singers or anyone yet.
Yeah. Who's your favorite singer currently?
Very difficult question.
Oh
Like
God.
someone that you really admire.
Shreya Ghoshal for sure. Sunidhi Chauhan for sure. I think they're very like
They're top notch.
Top
I don't think you can compare with both of them.
I don't think abhi recent mein there is anybody who has done that good of a job. But yeah, both
Both of
yes.
them. Also, Anuj Jain commented on one of your reels.
Yeah.
How was your reaction? Like, were you sleeping and you just woke up? I'm like, oh my god, Anuj Jain has commented. And what was the comment, by the way?
It has been quite some time, almost 6 years since that happened.
What?
Oh God.
This was during the lockdown when I just started my music page. One of my friends gifted that page to me.
Honestly, that's the cutest thing I've ever heard
Yeah.
because wow.
She's like, you know what? I've made a page for you, and now it's your job. Like, go ahead.
That's very sweet. Like that's extremely sweet.
So, and honestly, it was not my best take because जो karaoke पीछे बज रहा था, that was so weird. Like there was so much muffled noise to it and all of that. I was like, you know what? And I asked one of my friends, Abhishek. I asked him, is it nice? He's like, it's fine, not like. And I knew it was fine, but okay. One thing you should know about me is I will never overthink my content. Like I will be like, क्या ही हो जाएगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. I can always archive it, or probably like if I'm getting hate, I'll just take it. But I think one thing that has worked for me is if I have that gut feeling. So one of my videos, okay, let me complete the Anup Jain part. Yeah, so yeah, he commented.
Oh my god, you go 6 years down?
No, it was a different page. She made that page for me, na.
That's
Yeah.
Wow.
I think, did you even post a video with Abhishek?
Yeah, so many videos.
Yeah, that's how I know her. But like,
Thank you, bestie.
guys, I think she's my bestie now.
Yeah, it's a very weird. Like I look weird in this video.
No
Like,
need.
look at this.
Oh my god.
I look like a bachchu in this, and he said, "Sounds great!" Exclamatory heart heart.
So
And that's a lot
cute.
because they just put heart or like an emoji whenever.
6 years back, if he's commenting, I'll go mad.
मतलब तब तो शुरू ही हुआ था.
Oh yeah, when he was new.
Yeah, he was just in the. But so I also remember there were a couple of more people who were making covers, and all of them sang that song the next day, hoping कि we'll also get a comment. But I'm not quite sure if.
Did you sing Barish?
Yeah.
I just had a feeling.
Yeah, I think I just love Anup Jain. She's getting into that era.
Yeah, like I was never a person who would like slow music.
Fair enough. It's super sad.
But like, like life teaches you. So,
I think without live teaching also, I listen only to sad music. I don't know what's going on.
Same, like my
wake
sister
up.
is so annoyed when now she's married, but when we were together, like living in the same house, she used to scream whenever I used to make like covers because she's like, bro, like stop it, like I'm done.
yeah, like I like little bit, like
Yeah.
in which I can dance and like all that. But now I literally just listen to Anup Jain all the time or Imran
true.
Hashmi songs.
Like she's really going through it, I guess.
Like I'm really going through it.
But what's the weirdest thing the internet has taught you? Like we know you're confident and everything falls in, but what's
Yeah.
one of those things that just
You're like, what the hell?
Okay. I was hoping that most of my audience is female because I also want to do lifestyle content. Weirdly,
it's not
75% men. And I'm like, oh my god.
I'll tell you why that feeling. Like, no offense.
No
guys.
offense, no offense. I love my audience, but I just hope there are more female.
Yeah, I get you. Because I
yeah.
feel like that sudden heart drop when I see the
Ratio.
ratio being more towards.
So all my car videos have been just going insane. Like
Yeah.
millions mein hi ja rahe. There's no control to it.
You
Right?
have
Yeah.
million likes, you leave million views.
Yeah.
She has million likes.
Yeah. And I sit with myself and think कि ऐसा क्या है इसमें, right? Like it's not the craziest song or it's not the craziest way I'm singing it. Then I realized people like my videos more for my end reaction, like the end mein the way I react, or my smile, or
Oh, whoa. Like, you really thought about it.
I did sit and I'm like ठीक है मैं normally घर पे बैठ अभी अगर गा रही हूँ it wouldn't same song if I'm singing now or in the car there'll be insane amount of difference in the views. गाना मैं ही गा रही हूँ, आवाज वही है.
Why do you think it happens?
And why? Like, what's the thing with the
what
car?
It's the car, like they know me now, like वो image बन गया है कि
Car wali ladki.
हाँ, so people will stop no matter what to watch that video. Now if and मेरा side face दिखता है most of the time.
I'll say yes to this. I'll tell you why. Her first video went viral, and then like I wouldn't like really listen to songs, but then I remembered her second video came out, and I
becomes
only
your-
watched because I know. Oh yeah, I've seen this car.
Yeah, I mean, that becomes your IP.
Yes.
Which is because, like, for example, a lot of people have like first 3-second hook.
Exactly.
Your entire thing becomes a.
So there was this one video where I was supposed to talk about when I went from 3,000 followers to 30,000. So I was like, if the same video I would talk ghar pe baith ke, it wouldn't work. You know what I did? I started singing for like 3-5 seconds, and then I stopped the music, and I started talking about what I wanted to, and it worked the same way.
But
I think that's the hook now. Like,
Yeah.
it's like, I think any video, if your normal videos also you do it in that pattern, you'll get, because now is what I'm also realizing, which I think is a little too late to realize. But
man.
no, in terms of, I never took hooks and all of that very seriously. I wanted to post what I wanted to post, period. But like the more I realize, the more you give the audience what they want, is the more they relate to you.
And the problem is, when you start creating because you love it, like if you don't like creating, right? हाँ, so if you do it, you will have a purpose. कि, okay, this is because I want to make money. I'm creating content and I will give people what they want. For me, it's like I really care about what I want to do and not what they want me to do. You know, one of my मैं वापस आऊंगा का मैंने एक रील पोस्ट किया था गाना.
घर पे
Yeah, घर पे ही था वो. And I was like, bro, I am not singing this song in the car because most of
you
my
spoke
voice.
about it on your reel.
Yeah.
I mean on your story or something.
Yeah. Crazy.
I have good memory, by the way.
That's really
Crazy.
mad.
Honestly speaking, that video had 2 comments where they said, आपकी आवाज अच्छी है वो सब ठीक है, but please give people what they want to listen. Don't do what you want to do.
It's her page.
What do you?
I was like, I am so sorry, but this is just. It's like you are doing the work, but people will decide what.
They wanted you to cover some another song.
No,
No, they
nothing.
want the same video in the car, period.
They're like,
But that's torture.
कार
Really,
में
that-
करो. And I posted a video on Auto day before
Yeah,
yesterday,
yeah,
Rapido one. They're like, oh, क्या downgrade हो गया कार से Auto?
People are really funny. Like they
Yeah.
really go to
Some
the
of the comments
content.
are genuinely funny. Like one person said, क्या लेंडी जैसी आवाज है? लेंडी बकरी
What
की
is
लेंडी
that?
जैसी आवाज
What
है.
the?
I'm like, first of all, I googled what is lendi.
What the hell?
That means.
So mean you guys are. Her voice is like, "Woo." Don't say. Yeah, your
Anyways.
guys' voice are like that.
But
Don't bully people. I don't like who bully. But oh my god, I cannot. What landy?
Yeah.
You don't keep saying that word. It's giving
No,
me the.
if I meet someone, I'm just gonna like you landy.
No,
It's a
don't.
new diss word now. I think we all should make a diss word. Like from a podcast, it's landy.
I will not use that word ever in my life. Let me just tell you all that very clearly.
And
That's
someone
not
said,
coming out.
"Man, पानी पी लो." What am I supposed to understand by that? My comment section, if you're ever free, just go there. It's too funny.
And that'd be really cool.
Honestly, there are a lot of collaborations that I've done, and you will never figure out. Paperboat went 50 million.
But your
Yeah.
reach is really nice.
It's the.
Touchwood.
but
it's
not even wood. I'm just saying.
Just for the sake.
Okay, go ahead. But you,
So we're gonna talk a little girl stuff. So are you basically from Bangalore?
In 8th standard, we shifted here.
where were you from?
Yeah.
Chitradurga.
Where is that?
Wow. You don't know. My mom has been there. It's in
Karnataka itself, yeah.
only.
Okay.
200
It's near-
kilometers.
It's near Davangere.
Yeah.
So, easy.
Clock
I'm feeling proud
I
of
can't do that.
myself.
Actually,
from
try.
the
I
north.
need nails for that. Only if I have nails, I will do that.
I feel.
I keep doing
Let's not
Do you
discuss
want
this.
Spritzvilla?
Oh, like we're actually like going into it.
Yeah, because I think we need
Splitsvilla, and you are going crazy about lockup.
Yeah, only because of Yogesh and Akanksha. No, if you don't like them, I don't want to have this.
It's not like I don't like them, but lockup is not for me, bro.
I didn't know it existed. I'm watching it only for them. I have no idea what the show is. I don't-
Yogaksha.
I
Yeah.
literally said Uganda.
Yeah, that's the ship.
It's like Uganda.
Stop it.
Okay, no.
But I'm only watching it for them.
What have you learned about friendships in your early 20s? I'm not going to talk about relationships, just like friendships, like female, male friendships. Because now that you are a creator, do you think people might talk to you a little bit more differently than they used to before? Because 150K is no joke.
Not really. Like everybody is. I've never had friends who would not support my work. Even when I was at 3K, you will see like 5-6 comments for sure on every post, and I'm so grateful for them.
That's really sweet.
Yeah.
is very
And so one thing about me is I am not a person who would talk to you on call a lot or text you a lot. But when you are in person, bro,
Yeah.
you will have the best time and you will be like, okay, this is my comfort person. I don't need anybody else. That's my relationship with everyone. So most of my friends don't live here anymore because they've shifted to different cities now. But every single time there is something that is happening, I don't think, good or bad, they've just been there.
That's really sweet.
I think that's very sweet because a lot of creators face this one.
Bro, they've seen my journey. Like, they have seen me struggle so much that at this point, if they would not support me, they would feel like, oh my God, like, yeah. So,
No, but I think that's a very good thing.
and I've made it a part of me now. Like, creating content has been a part of me. They know कि अगर मैं घर पे बहुत थक के आई हूँ, if I have to make a video, I will still do it.
Yeah.
So they've seen that part of me, and most of my friends have been a part of the creation journey. Like, most of them also create content. And now, no matter what your business is, you have to create content.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
I agree.
everything, bro. Even if you have like a normal shop, you need to. Like, I
Yeah.
see all of these people, like people in Mumbai or something, like they have a mobile shop. It's very low key, but like he'll put like some massive, like he'll do some scripted on it. It's just too funny, but
Funny.
he has like, bro, he has like million likes, and
Yeah.
people actually go to his shop. Imagine, like even Momo wale bhaiyas nowadays have.
Don't talk about Momo now. I'm hungry.
You're always hungry on your podcast. I saw your videos and you're like, bro, bhook lag rahi hai. I'm also like that. I listen to things and I'm like, oh shit, why do we not have food here? Why do we not have food here?
We never thought of it actually.
I think
It'll be
we-
so fun.
This is a good sign for all the sponsors to please sponsor us with food. We are a group of happy people. Don't laugh.
Same.
You are?
Yeah.
Wait. So you did journalism, right? Yeah. So what was your, like, do you like maths?
I did not want to do commerce. And science to mujhe, I used to love biology.
Same.
But
oh my God, same.
Physics, chemistry was not for me.
Same. I was a bio student.
Yeah, I scored pretty well, 98.
Pretty well.
Yeah.
I got 100 on biology.
Ooh. And yeah, so I was like, if it was just bio, I would directly take.
Same.
But-
But the problem in India is you don't have to, like in abroad, you can still choose
Yeah.
biology as a different, but in India, you cannot do.
You have to do all to do one.
Yeah, and that's really sad. Like, I honestly did not even want to take journalism.
Why did you take journalism?
I just wanted to get out of my house.
Oh, you're not from Bangalore?
Sweetie, no.
Okay.
Really, I'm from North,
Okay.
Himachal.
You look like that.
She doesn't like being there.
Yeah. I think I'm converted South Indian. Like, I love, like, if I go back home, I think 2 days later I need like idli, sambar. What is your favorite food? Any restaurants you want to recommend in Bangalore?
Restaurants. So many. I love Pan Asian food.
Oh my God, same.
Who's my
Calibi is something
Yeah?
I can live on.
My sister too.
Imagine like it's 2 a.m. and it gives me a lot of gastric, to be honest. Like
Yeah, I don't think
Calibi
it's good
is
for health. It's
It
not
is-
healthy.
It is
Guys,
good.
It's not healthy.
It is.
Hot girls have gut problems. End of the story.
Fair.
still prefer that.
Yeah. I don't think I can eat. The taste is good, but I just don't find it very healthy.
How?
I don't know.
There are beans, there's paneer if you take paneer, there are vegetables, very less rice.
I just
Don't take the burrito, take the rice bowl.
let's not discuss my food habits. I don't eat very healthy
I
things.
couldn't
I'm-
understand what the hell restaurant you guys were talking about. It's California Burrito.
Yeah.
I ordered from them almost like 3 times in a week, and they actually text me that they want to give me a free meal.
Dude, I'm not a person who would text brands. Calibi
They only texted me.
is, I am literally threatening them. Like at this point, I have 150k followers if you don't sponsor me.
You should go.
Yeah.
Like I'm a very loyal customer. Like
Same.
they give me free Coke and Pepsi from, like if I don't order
Yeah.
it. Imagine. Like I love Calibi.
Same.
And it's very healthy.
Yeah, like what is healthy for you then?
I don't know. I know like some food items just don't make me feel healthy from inside.
That's really.
Okay.
No, like I don't know. Like I feel heavy as soon as I eat.
Yeah, that's true.
So I
It is
don't like
heavy,
that
the
feeling.
bowl.
Like I like feeling.
Honestly, our appetites, you are Jane, right?
Yeah.
Our appetites are not that best. Like we barely have protein.
I agree.
And then ghar
Vegetarian.
ghar ke khane mein what do you expect? So
But like I like eating outside food. I can eat. Like I can like if you now for example I'm having a bad day. My only fix is eating. Like my only fix whatsoever. And if that day you meet me, you will think I'm a psychopath. Because I will
stress eater.
big time. It's a not so good thing, but I can finish a cake if I am stressed.
That's
Like-
really mad.
No, only because like I'm just having a bad day and the only thing that's fixing me is food. What
I think
can
I
I
can
do?
do that with not. I am not much of a sweet person.
Yeah,
I
like
love
but like
spicy. Oh my god.
anything.
I
just
can't
give
do
me food.
either. Like I want it to be moderate. Yeah.
Mm.
I just need food.
What's
Like I
your-
love garlic naan and
Oh my god. What's your go-to food?
Calibi.
Yeah, that's good. Like help me.
For sure. Anything rice.
yeah.
So when I was younger, I used to cry because usually when you go to restaurants, by the time you have roti sabzi, you are done. And everybody in my family is like, okay, we're not ordering rice. And I used to cry.
But the problem with me is I don't like rice that is too big. Like I like
You don't like
thoda-
basmati?
No, I don't like. I like a little bit.
Why are we discussing rice?
No, I'm
I
just-
love
Bro,
basmati.
people will relate to this. Like
I
like,
love rice.
I'm obsessed. Like even if I eat full day like junk, I still need one meal of rice, and I like my rice a little bit soggy.
Not for me.
I need properly cooked rice. No, I need properly cooked rice, but I like basmati.
No, even cooked, but like little bit.
They are extremely cooked. The soggy ones are.
Yeah, I don't like that.
No, not soggy, but like they all should be together.
I don't like that.
You understand? I love.
I don't like sushi.
Yeah, I love. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, enough.
No, but I think Pan Asian, my favorite is foo.
Yeah, any day.
I think
Who is good?
Favorite.
But I love Yuki as well.
Bhai Bahan.
हाँ मतलब but food tops it for
Yeah.
me personally. But ठीक है, like why?
So one problem with me is I've almost tried all the restaurants in Bangalore. Not all. There
all
are too
is
many.
impossible.
But a lot of them.
Yeah.
And when I come back home, people ask me, I'm like, bro, I had the best food ever. And they're like, okay, tell me the place. And I'm like,
Oh my-
I can't remember.
Oh, you
names.
can't remember.
I can't
That's
remember
really
names.
mean, please. I would kill you if you tell me after eating such a good meal. Imagine you're full, telling, oh my god, I had such yummy.
Now I take a photo and I'm
Is
like,
that bad?
it's bad.
That's really bad.
Yeah, so in different podcasts, you asked me, okay, if not asked me, the other people that, okay, if there was one day your friend is here, which all places would. I'm like, don't ask me that question.
I
can
was
just-
actually going to ask, but
Please
now
don't
I'm
ask
not.
me that
I
question.
did ask you what's your favorite.
Yeah, that's okay. But names of restaurants, I can't.
Fair.
I have a fun game for you. You have to complete this sentence. I'll give you an example. Like right now, I feel
Excited.
success feel like
Success feels like. Wow.
something tension.
Bro, like like I said, it was very weird for me. So when I hit 100K, I was not in the best headspace. Like I did not even post a story about it. And that is literally on my vision board since 2 years. And I was hoping that I hit 100K. And then I'm like,
Still you have everything, but still you're not.
that's what I said, the theme. That you have everything, but you don't feel that feeling. So success for me has been tricky.
I know I'm growing because
I am consistent. Guys, it is not overrated, trust me. Consistency is not overrated. Like everybody on the internet has made it so like cliche at this point that if you hear that you'll be like, yeah, whatever. Like tell me something new. But
it's true.
that works.
I hope I never become someone who
Is greedy
great. A version of me I'm most proud of is
right now.
I love that.
Right now. Because
Yeah.
I think so that day, like when I said that I was not in the best headspace, I went back home. I cried for sure. But I also journaled that all the good things that happened to me that day. Like I was with my family. Or else if it was the other way around, then I would probably with my friends just cutting a cake of 100K, loafing around. But that day I was actually very close to my family and I felt love. So yeah.
I think that's really sweet because you still had your comfort people around when you weren't feeling the best.
Nobody was feeling the best.
Yeah.
So we were there for each other. And I know if it was the other way around, it would not be the same case.
Every morning, like she'll not talk to me, she'll really journal for an hour.
Yes.
That works, bro. Like, you honestly, like my friend, when that thing happened, I cried when I spoke about that to my friend. He was like, bro, 1 second. Like, you are at the worst stage of your life right now. And you had the audacity to write down things which were nice on that day.
I think it's
How can your brain work that
it's
way?
very powerful because I feel like being grateful for things is the topmost. I don't know what it's called, but it's gratefulness is one of the biggest energies
It's
or whatever
a
it's
strength
called.
not everybody has.
Yeah.
Like even when everything is going right, people will still crib about a lot of things.
Yeah.
Like
I
that.
think-
Yeah.
And self-harm this girl like
But I'm being honest.
Yeah, and I don't understand these people. So a lot of people around me, not you, like a set of people, when they have everything they want without even asking, and they're still just sad people.
Yeah.
No, then I'm not like that.
Yeah, you're not.
Sad or they're always cribbing or whatever. I'm
Not
like,
because I don't have everything I want.
But she's cribbing.
Yeah. See, if I'm sad, I won't journal, but I'll definitely write. Like, if you open my notes app, there will be things that I write when I'm sad. Maybe it's not the most beautiful things, but they're also not like I'm talking shit
I
about
feel
myself.
like the point of this is not journaling. I think even if you don't sit and write, I don't think everyone has a bandwidth because I was talking to another friend recently. For her, journaling is like wasting pages.
okay.
Which I said, sure, we'll just agree to disagree to that. But I think the idea behind is the emotions. If you can feel those things, even without writing, I think that counts for something. I think everyone has their own coping. Like, for example, if you're grateful and you're able to say that out loud to yourself without writing it, I think that counts too.
I agree. Like I'll just go like wash my face, be in the mirror, talk to myself in the mirror. Then I get a little bit of like confidence.
So you write about negative thoughts as well.
Yeah.
That's the difference. Like I feel like even if I jot it down, probably that will also come true.
No, I'll tell in what way. I don't say negative. I'm scared to say negative things
She
out
doesn't
loud
talk negative
at all. When I say I do jot down, it's like what happened. But I'm like, this happened. But yeah, never in the present tense. That this happened. It did hurt me. But then I'm over it now. And now this is what I'm focusing on. Because I want to accept that it happened, but I move past it. I'm not someone who can hold on grudges or hold on negative. Like, if something happens today, I'm over it in the next 3 hours. Like, I'm done. Like, I don't really, it's not like I don't care, but I feel like negativity in my body just, so the only way I get it out is by writing. And it happened. It did hurt me because I just feel like no one can be happy all the time. It is about, like, at least accept that you're feeling sad at some point and it's fine. You'll feel sad, but you'll move on and you'll see the good parts in it too. Because there's one thing that I've started believing fully is that if the goal is to experience, you'll never be disappointed. So if you're sad about something, you're experiencing sadness, but you'll move on from it you'll move on from it. You're experiencing that emotion also. It's a part of it.
Yeah.
That's my mindset right now. So I'm okay to jot down things that have happened only because I'm over it. I've moved on from it, and I'm grateful that also happened to me because it taught me something. That's my flow of it.
Yeah, my only thing is time will change.
I also believe that if you are experiencing joy, just live it fully. Because when I experienced 10K, I did not, just sit there and 10K hi to hua hai. I went all out. And I'm so glad I did, because 100K, I was not able to celebrate. But I was like, okay, at least 10K was not this bad.
150 and
It's time to celebrate.
yeah.
So just never let go of your joyous moments, because probably something bigger might happen, but you won't be in the headspace to take it.
And I think that time won't come back because your happiness at 10K, you won't feel it at 100K or maybe even 150, because reaching that 10K after being stuck at 3K is more like you feel just like that. Like every phase of life can have different phases of happiness, and you can't compare that with any. Like even if you get 1 million, no, you'll still come and maybe talk about your first 10K.
I think that's true. You should not for us, like we've had this thing in during our podcast that we try and celebrate every small thing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Like even if it is just wishing each other or just anything, bro. It doesn't have to be a party every time. But even today that we're shooting this on July 4th. So this is our 1 year thing. We're doing nothing.
So proud. So proud.
Please, thanks. But we're not doing anything for the world or whatever. It's nothing big. But we're just spending we're going to spend our day together, do things for ourselves. Just things that make us happy. And I think everyone has their own way, but maybe give it a little more thought with excitement that it's happening. You're doing whatever you're doing, so you deserve to
I think
celebrate.
more with intention also.
Yeah.
You're giving that energy out, so probably more things will come to you.
I fully believe in only if you invest is when you're going to get the returns.
It's the same way how money works.
Yeah, only if you invest money in things is when you're going to get it back. You might have losses, but it's a part of it.
That will happen. Like this is how life works.
What is it recommending to you every day?
I think it's the same with Instagram. Bro, never stop. Once you stop, you become irrelevant in no time, especially in this field. If you stop showing up for yourself, people around you, and for your own work, you become irrelevant and nobody will care.
I fully agree, because in anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
Even friendships, relationships, normally anything.
Okay, if your anxiety had a personality, what would it constantly tell you?
Slow down, because I am a person, even if I'm sick, having the worst day of my life, I will not slow down. I will just go on and on. So what happened is, when I was in college, there was this time where I think PUC khatam hua. Uske baad I just went to college, and then 10 days in and I already had a job. Thankfully. But my mom was like, you know what? Join after 3 months, because you've not taken any break. And I was like, you know what? I cannot. But that showed. After a few months, I had to take 1 month break because I got typhoid. My immunity was extremely low. I had all the deficiencies possible. And then I had to let go of everything that was coming my way. And then I realized if you don't slow down,
Once in a while,
life will
tell you. No, I've seen this because I'm not as extreme, but I if there are things on my priority, whatever come may, I will want to finish it.
I don't have that list. Everything is a priority for me.
Yeah, no, in terms of, for example, as of now, career-wise, podcast, and I also have a job and my content creation. In तीनों में अगर कुछ करना है तो कुछ भी हो, I will do it. I don't really I personally don't have much to give excuses. I just don't, I feel guilty. I really go on my own turmoil ki bhai kya hi ho jayega, just finish it, then you take your rest. But I think this is something I've seen in my mother more.
All mothers, bro, they never slow down.
So my mom, they never do.
Never.
And I am tired of telling my mom. And last year when I was leaving for my master's and my sister was leaving to Pune for her undergrad, we were leaving around the same 1 month. Right then, she got this one, I forgot the name of whatever, she got one illness and she had to be on bed rest, like touch wood, like she's perfect now, but like that was life's way of telling, like just sleep. Like like for 1 month she was like properly had to stay on bed and then figure out, but it happened, and I think that taught her ki you need to calm down. You're not a machine. They're still creating robots. Moving on.
I really have this question. What is that one song that you think like you can like kill it? If imagine
Ahu Mayana.
Yeah.
The first reel that went viral. Like I've been singing that song all my life. Like ever since it got actually the entire album of Ashiki 2, I was obsessed with the album. And there's one more song I'm not sure if most people know. So Pehli Nazar Mein, but the reprise version of it. So it
I think I
has
would have heard it.
Punjabi, English, all of that. I think fourth or fifth standard. No, I think third or fourth standard. Every year solo singing, I used to sing that song. People were like, okay, this one is getting the first place. So they used to just aim for second and third. I did not even prepare myself. I'm not even boasting. Like this is something that Amplifier was one song that I was obsessed
I
with.
love that song. Have you not?
Yeah, I have.
And you should hear this song for sure. It's a nice song. Pehli Nazar Mein reprised version.
will.
Yeah. So this song was something I used to just like go all crazy. I think lyrics bhi I used to not like sing the
Correct lyric?
Yeah.
That's so me. If you tell me to sing any song right now, I'll sing like the horrible. Like I don't know one sentence of any like lyrics. I'll sing some nonsense, but the confidence that I have, nobody. You take me to some karaoke thing. I'll sing some. But the confidence I have, nobody can have. Honestly, so I'm really proud of that.
You should be.
Yeah. Also, like, imagine like there's a follower, like I'm your follower, and you take me, 24 hours.
She said she doesn't remember places.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
I'll take you to nice places for
You
sure.
guys don't want to listen to my question. This is not that question. Do not even cut this. This is not the question. Guys, I'm really disappointed in both of you. For this.
Apologies.
No, my question was if I'm your follower and I'm with you for 24 hours. So mean. Don't say like that. What is that one thing that I will be surprised to see?
Oh, whoa. That took a turn.
Obviously, because I was not asking the other questions.
Fine.
What will you be surprised to see? इतना thinking वाले questions क्यों?
मैं सोच रही हूँ, if I was in your place, what would I say?
I know an answer for myself.
Actually, let's all of us think of answers.
Yeah, imagine like I have an answer already. Should I tell my?
Tell.
So every day I do this. People call it as auntie walk
Okay.
because I don't like to walk on a treadmill. I like to walk like where I live. On top of that, there's like one hall. I'll walk ting 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 for 2 hours.
I don't know how
And
you
I-
do that.
Yeah, and I say that.
And you'll make that person be a part of this 2-hour walk of yours.
Yeah, like I
Okay.
take my friends, like I keep talking to them and I do this 2-hour walk. I complete my steps. Like I'm sick now, I don't, but usually I do it. So I think that person will be surprised because it's like I'm seeing the same thing. It's literally from here to here. I do
could
this for 2
never.
hours.
Wow.
I feel
I don't think I am that crazy of a person.
Just told I'm crazy. But it's a thing that you guys might be surprised.
Okay, one thing is that I enjoy singing in the most absurd way. Like without any sur, tal, rag. I enjoy that more than singing nicely. So you will see
Very
me like,
normal for that's normal for us, no? But that'll be
it will be weird for you to see me like, what is wrong with her? Is she the same person on the internet?
yeah.
yeah, if Kanishka does that, that's very normal. But if you will do, I'll not believe that it's you.
And I do that a lot, like the entire day. Like so maybe you're singing, talking about something. I'll pick a word and then I'll start singing. Us word ko leke, I'll start
We
singing.
do today also now in 5 minutes.
And then it's bad. Like it's not even like, oh my god.
Oh my god, okay, we'll give you a word. You'll
I'm allowed to say no. Am I? Or not?
Yeah.
What?
Please, we are two girls. We live in India democracy.
Ooh,
On
crazy.
Okay. I think for me, my days are so very boring. I don't know where I'll take him or her.
No, you have to tell something that surprise.
I
Like,
mean, there's nothing. I just love sitting at home. Really, guys. That's,
I think
I don't like going out. I go out only if it's for work.
But you're extremely positive as a person.
I don't think that's surprising. I really put that out like it's
I'll
the
tell you what's
biggest.
surprising.
It's my personality.
Yeah, I was just gonna
Yeah,
say that.
but I don't do that. So how will that be surprising?
That will be surprising. Achanak se if you just like come out and say negative
No, but
things.
the thing is, if that person is coming through with my day, one thing that they don't know about, not something
I'll
I
tell you
won't
what.
do.
Imagine you go to her house and she'll be like, "Oh, I'm coming down in 5 minutes." She won't.
That's not.
That's why you will be surprised.
Guilty.
Yeah, I don't want to say all. Yeah, maybe, but I don't be surprised. I don't like being. I'll tell you, I'm a very calculative person. Where I have to be on time, I'll be on time. If I can push it a little bit here and there, I'm like, fine, I'll push it.
I was so guilty today.
For
Can you?
what?
No, please.
Who are you?
Oh shit.
Dude, 1 hour is crazy.
Not for you, but I'm like I like to bully her like that.
No, I am in general like a little late person.
Yeah, I'm
I'm an amalgamation of both of you in so many ways.
Yeah, you are.
I am
Like,
like I
giving
like
birth.
to wake up at 6 a.m. Even
Yeah,
if I have a
she's-
shoot at even today I woke up. I
She's
had
crazy
fever.
like that. Like we're having sleepovers and then I'll be like, if like
Yeah.
she'll finish her shower, get ready, then she'll wake me up.
You all live together.
No.
No.
I stay with my family. She stays in.
Don't you tell my address.
Sorry. She
the
stays on her
internet.
own.
Please, I have
But
to
like
stop.
we stay to like sleepovers during shoot.
Yeah.
What's one thing that you would want life and social media? Sorry, what's one filter that you would want in your life or on social media in general to drop? Or you wished it would drop?
Think difficult questions. I hate the fact that once, like, you can take my car videos example, and I don't like it because you are supposed to be a certain person and you cannot be somebody else at the same time because probably it is not something the other person wants or whatever in life and on Instagram. Like, do you like making the same content every single day?
Not really. But I've made peace with I don't make the same kind. I don't have one thing that I do. So I don't feel that. In terms of all my videos are different. And they're just I've like completely shifted my niche into like speaking my perspective and the era I am in right now. And people relate to that. So I've started like an entire new page where I do my things. So and I'm fully enjoying it and it's clicking with the people who are watching it. So I'm enjoying because I get to learn a lot because I'm researching about new theories that are coming up. Things I would connect with is what I'm putting out there.
Imagine, like, this is a start for you, right? It was the same for me when I was like at lower number of followers. But right now it's like, imagine the car reels are, if one reel is reaching 50 million people and I'm getting about 50,000 followers from one reel, the entire bunch came in because of one thing. And if I give them anything else, they won't take it.
I feel like the idea is to detach from the output.
For sure.
So if you now, for example, car videos is your best working IP at the moment, and you start working on another IP which is repetitive, and people start enjoying that, this one starts going away. I think the idea is to keep building new IPs that you create. I feel like the more you give, that the more it's going to be expected out of you. So maybe if you can experiment with different IPs, and they'll stay if they want to, and if you're okay with saying 10,000 people unfollowing you because you're not giving car videos, I think that's
If you crack that hook, you make those hook for 2-3 years. You make like decent amount of followers. Then you can shift because how Rebel Kid also did.
I was just coming to her.
What she also did, she started with her
Hello, my cute little red flags.
And now she does because somebody else took
else
it.
took it. So now she doesn't do it, but still she makes content about Get Ready With Me now. But she
It's about-
also still comes, I'm so sorry, she also still comes back to her telling stories.
Once in a
which
while.
also works.
Which
And
made
that's-
sense when
yeah.
you said that, first 5 seconds you did that hook. Use it as a hook. I think the idea is to use your IP as a hook.
That is what is going to be. But the only thing is, I feel this niche is restricting people from actually creating. In terms of potential, like, do you think you have enough potential to reach a certain point in content creation?
In what?
You have that potential in you, right?
Yeah.
But how long has it been for you since you are creating content?
2019.
you have been patient, like extremely patient.
Yeah, I'm a very patient person because I have always detached from the outcome.
Yeah.
Like I create because I want to create, but now I'm shifting my mind in terms of what I want to create and what the odd. Like I'm finding a middle ground. I think for this, I think it's not a small creator thing. I think it's each journey is different.
For sure.
Because I've seen a lot of big creators now who have taken 10 years to reach where they are. So I think it's all a very patient and belief game, and the fact that you really want to do it and to believe that this or nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think everyone will also not get that ekdam se hype. I'm telling in general.
But that is the-
Nobody gets it, bro. Like I took.
yeah, I very
So,
very few
A lot
creators.
of few creators get it. Like for
Yeah.
example, a lot of less creators really jump from like 30K to like 1 million in like a month.
Yeah, I
But
think it's about just clicking at the right
clicking,
time.
and also I feel it's just about being consistent, patience, and still being relatable to yourself and the audience.
Yeah, that's what. Find middle grounds. I think that's the idea.
I've gave the answer.
But yeah, that brings us to the end of this episode. How you feeling?
Crazy. I was really nervous, but I think we had.
Told ya. I think it was like just the girls chatting out.
Yeah.
I love that.
But yeah, that's it for this episode. We'll see you next Friday.
Bye.